Hello guys, welcome and thanks for joining my channel. If your cell phone has no headphone jack, no problem. Or if your headphone jack does not work, no problem. I'll show you guys how to temporarily fix that. All you would have to do is purchase one of these headphone jack adapter. This is a USB Type-C headphone jack adapter. It comes with the charging port as well. And there's your headphone jack port. All you would do is just plug this in. Now I would plug my headphones in, play some music. There you go, guys. The music works. Now I'll plug this in to charge my phone, and I'll show you guys the fast charging works as well. There you have it, fast charging. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and give this video a thumbs up. Peace out until next time.